Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Brooks local and long-distance movers near me. If you're ready to move, you need a cheap Brooks moving company. 3 Movers offers both local and long-distance moving services at affordable rates. You can enjoy the best long-distance move by adding our extra services such as packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. If you're ready to relocate 100 miles away or further, you need the right team of long-distance movers to help you. Our team will make sure you get the type of move you desire without any hassle. A good Canada moving company can make your local move easier. With the best movers helping you, there will be no need to worry about the heavy lifting causing an injury or damaged items. 3 Movers will take care of everything for your local move. We will streamline the process to ensure you get to your new location with plenty of energy and time to settle in. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Brooks Moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.